Me and my mom were playing the Truth or Dare game, and she dared me to play the peanut butter game with the dogs. I know you're all wondering why I have peanut butter on my face. You'll figure out in a second. Alright, buddy.
Lay on your back.
Tickles.
Lena doesn't get it. Yeah, she gets it.
Oh my God.
Wait, there's no peanut butter.
Oh my God.
Here, Muffin needs to see the other cheek.
No, I don't want her looking at the other cheek. Too bright.
Let her, you need to get it off. Sit on your hands. I'll check your pulse.
Is it up?
Let's see.
Is it?
Looks like it. Let's see. Is Muffin happy? Muffin's not done. Is Athena happy? Athena's not done.
Oh my God.
Was that the best game ever? Do you love the
was
peanut
fun.
butter game?
Oh my God.
You want to play it again?